Rwanda, a nature lover's paradise, is known as the land of 1,000 hills. It has one of the youngest populations in the world, with the average age being 19 years. Introducing the gospel through education is one way to reach this group. Goma College of Health Sciences at the Goma campus of the Adventist University of Central Africa is situated about 150 kilometers from Kigali, the country's capital. The college offers a bachelor's degree and a diploma in nursing and midwifery. Located at 1,800 meters above sea level and overlooking Kivu Lake, the campus provides a beautiful environment for learning.
Where it's located, there are no much distractions. When you come here, you know you've come to learn, so you just sit and focus on your studies.
Over the years, the school has accepted international students. The college plans to expand and add more courses. With this plan, the school is greatly in need of a new dormitory to house the additional students.
The universities are looking how to run other departments in this campus. And according to the number of the students we have here, we are not able to accommodate them. If we add those departments, it will be difficult to us to accommodate all those students. And as you have seen, we are in the village and we are receiving international students. Those international students, they will not go to stay outside. They need where to stay here. So that's why you need those dormitories here.
Offering additional courses will not only benefit the college, but also the surrounding community. An increase in student enrollment will mean more job opportunities for those living in areas nearby. Goma College of Health Sciences of AUCA is a respectable campus, and applicants need to have a high passing score on the government-issued exams in order to be accepted. Although other educational institutions may be cheaper, more students come to study at the Adventist College because it offers something other schools don't provide.
I think AUCA is different from different universities. Here, when you're here, you feel more like a Christian student. And that changes because we come from different families, different backgrounds. We don't get the chances, to be told about the Bible, to be taught about God. And from the name AUCA Adventist University of Central Africa, you really feel that presence of God in their academics.
The nursing program is well known because of the highly experienced faculty members. There is a need for a new girls' dorm to cater to the many new students enrolling in the program.
The good thing is that if it's a nursing institution, there are nurses too. So they know much about nursing. They have experience in nursing. So when they are teaching us, it's like it's something that they have lived. So it's easier for us to understand and to learn. And they really help us get what we came for here.
As this school strives toward excellence, please pray for the faculty, students, and staff in Goma College of Health Sciences at the AUCA campus. Pray that this school will hold up its Christian values so that more students will come to know Christ. Your support of a new dormitory through the 13th Sabbath offering this quarter will make a difference in their lives. Thank you for supporting Mission.